If you want your X.com or Twitter account to look like a real, trustworthy, high-quality profile, this video is going to walk you through the exact steps. A strong profile can make a huge difference in how people see you, whether you're building a personal brand, growing a business, or just trying to look more professional online. Your profile is basically your digital storefront, so every part of it matters. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Now let's get into it. The first thing you want to focus on is your profile picture. This is one of the fastest ways to make your account look polished and credible. If it's a personal account, use a clean, high-resolution headshot where your face is easy to recognize. If it's a brand account, use a clear logo that looks sharp even at a small size. The ideal image size is 400 by 400 pixels, and you want to avoid anything blurry, crowded, or full of tiny text because most people will see your profile picture at a very small scale. Next, move to your header banner. This is the large image at the top of your profile, and it gives you a great opportunity to make a strong first impression. The recommended size is 1500 by 500 pixels, so make sure your banner is properly sized and not stretched or cropped in a bad way. Use this space to show your brand colors, your mission statement, a product, a service, or a clean visual that matches your identity. A good header can instantly make your account feel more complete and professional. After that, work on your bio. Your bio has a maximum of 160 characters, so every word needs to count. Keep it simple, clear, and focused. Tell people who you are, what you do, and why they should follow you. Try to include natural keywords related to your niche so your profile is easier to find in search. For example, if you're a designer, writer, marketer, or creator, say that clearly. What you want to avoid is vague wording, random emojis, or stuffing it with too many hashtags. A strong bio should feel direct and useful at a glance. Then look at your custom link field. This is one of the most overlooked parts of a profile, but it's very important. Never leave the website field empty if you have something valuable to share. Add your personal website, portfolio, link tree, business page, or another landing page that gives people a next step. This helps turn profile views into clicks, and it also makes your account look much more established. Now fill in your location and the birthday if it makes sense for your profile. Adding a location such as your city or country can help build trust and give your account a more authentic feel. The birthday field is optional, but when used appropriately, it can add another layer of personality and realism to your profile. Just make sure you only share what you're comfortable with. Once the main profile sections are updated, it's time for the final polish. A great next step is to pin a strong post to your profile. This should be a high-value introductory tweet that tells people who you are, what you do, or showcases your best work. It could be a welcome post, a portfolio highlight, a thread, or a post that explains your value. After you create it, open the three-dot menu on the post and choose Pin to your profile. This keeps your best content right at the top so anyone visiting your page immediately sees something impressive. At this stage, your account should already feel a lot more professional, but the key is consistency. Make sure your picture, banner, bio, link, and pinned post all match the same message. When your profile elements work together, your account looks intentional, trustworthy, and much more likely to attract the right audience. So to recap, use a clean profile picture, upload a properly sized banner, write a clear bio, add a useful link, complete your location details, and pin a strong post to the top of your profile. These small changes can completely transform how your X.com or Twitter account is perceived. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.